Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today let's make a colorful and soft Suji custard cake in an Appe Pan and perfect for kids' tiffin box or tea time snacks. Let's start the recipe. First take a blender, take half cup Suji and 1/4 cup sugar. Blend into a fine powder. Now pour into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons oil, half cup milk. Mix well. Suji is rich in iron and protein. Using oil instead of butter make this lighter. And rest for 10 minutes. Resting Suji with milk ensure a soft and spongy cake. Sieve in 2 tablespoons custard powder, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Custard powder was invented in 1837 in England as an egg-free dessert base. Suji cakes are naturally lighter and more digestible than refined flour cakes. Always sieve custard powder and baking agent for lump-free mixing. Add 2 tablespoons milk. Add a drop of yellow food color. Mix again. Now take 2 tablespoons Tutti Frutti. Coat with 1 teaspoon flour. Add into the batter and mix well. Coat Tutti Frutti with flour to avoid sinking in the batter. Tutti Frutti can be replaced with dry fruits for a healthier version. Grease an Appe Pan. Appe pans are traditionally used in South India for paniyarams, but work great for mini cakes. Pour 1 tablespoon batter. This cake is egg-free, making it suitable for vegetarians. Top with Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti adds not just color but also a chewy fruity bite. Cover with the lid. Now place a fry pan in medium-low heat. Now place the Appe Pan. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium-low flame. Keeping the Appe Pan over a fry pan prevents burning and distributes heat evenly. Your Suji custard cake in Appe Pan is ready. Soft, spongy and colorful. Perfect for kids' tiffins or tea time snacks. Try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more tasty ideas.